Check it out, guys. So Apple just reported earnings and their stock is up almost 5% so far on the day. Let's break down these numbers and talk about some Apple. They ended up doing EPS of $1.52 per share versus the $1.43 expected, so that beat. And they also beat on revenue, $94.84 billion versus $92.96 billion expected. And gross margin also beat, 44.3% versus the 44.1% expected. And looking down here, Apple reported $24.16 billion in net income, which was down from last year's $25 billion, and their revenue's down 3% year over year. Last year, it was $97.28 billion. You can see here, iPhone revenue came in at $51.3 billion, which beat the $48.84 billion expected. That's a really good beat for iPhone revenue, and Mac revenue on the flip side did not beat the estimate, $7.17 billion versus $7.8 billion expected. iPad revenue came in at $6.67 versus the $6.69, pretty much right in line. Other products beat a little bit, and services came in pretty much right in line at $20.91 billion. And they're buying back a ton of stock, and they actually just raised their dividend from 23 cents to now 24 cents. And you guys can see Apple has spent almost $600 billion in stock buybacks over the past 10 years. That's nuts. So what do you guys think? Follow along for more and get your free stocks in my bio.